In last video, we start crystal defect, and in crystal defect we discuss only the stoichiometric point defect, such as vacancy defect, interstitial or self-interstitial defect, Schottky defect, and lastly the Frankel defect. Out of these four defects, first two are occur in a non-ionic compounds, while Frankel defect and the Schottky defect found in ionic compounds. For exam point of view, stoichiometric point defects are most important. So we arrange them in a tabular form to remember at the time of exam. We summarize all four defects in crystal in a single table. It is most important for the exam point of view to remember as such. So here we arrange the all defects in a tabular form for NEET, JEE, CET and the board exam point of view. So type of defect, definition, type of solid, density effect or the effect on density, and crystal structure after defect. Then first is the vacancy defect. Definition: when some of the lattice sites are vacant, the crystal is said to have vacancy defect. This is occur in a non-ionic solids. Density of the solid is decreases. Reason is that some of the lattice sites are vacant, that is the mass is decreases but the volume is same, so density is decreases. Then this is our crystal, and then these two are not present at the lattice site. That means these lattice sites are vacant. Then second, interstitial defect. When some particles of a crystalline elemental solid occupy interstitial sites in the crystal structure, it is called interstitial defect. It is again occur in the non-ionic solids. Density remains same because particle occupies the lattice site. That means it is present inside the lattice, only it occupies the interstitial space or the void. That means like this. The particle move from its lattice site to interstitial site. So the mass as well as the volume of the solid remains same, so density is not affected by this defect, that is the interstitial defect. The next one, Schottky defect. Equal number of cations and anions are missing from their lattice sites. Occur in ionic solids. Density decreases because the number of ions, number of cation and anion, that is the pair of cation and ion is missing from their lattice site. Therefore the mass is decreases but the volume remains the same, so the density is decreases. Here this is our crystal structure, but when this defect is occur, then the pair of cation and anion is missing like this. So mass is decreases but the volume remains the same. Then fourth one is the Frankel defect. Definition: if in an ionic crystal ion is missing from its lattice site and it occupies the interstitial site, then it is called as Frankel defect. It is also occur in ionic solid, but the density remains same because particles are live their lattice site but occupy the interstitial site. This is our crystal, ionic crystal, and here the particle move from its lattice site to interstitial space. So the mass remains same as well as the volume is also same. So density remains same in case of a Frenkel effect. This table is useful to remember for exam point of view. Thank you.